Dear students, welcome to Study and Learn Academy. I am Dr. Ganpat Nagda, and today we will continue the chapter Cell Structure and Functions, and the organ is lysosomes. It is found only in the animal cell, and it is a tiny spheroid particles which consist of hydrolytic enzyme. They are enclosed within the single lipoprotein membrane. Functions of lysosomes. They may take part in this intracellular digestion of food materials within the cell by the process of pinocytosis and phagocytosis. Ribosomes. They are minute spherical non-membranous structures which consist of RNA and protein. They have two structural unequal sized subunits. The smaller subunit is called 40S subunit and a larger subunit is called 60S subunit. They are located freely in the cytoplasm or remain attached to the surface of endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, etc. Functions of ribosomes. They provide sites for protein synthesis. Mitochondria. It is a filamentous or granular hollow type structure which is bounded by a double lipoprotein membrane. The inner granulated membrane is convoluted to form cristae and divides the mitochondria into two chambers, the outer chamber and matrix filled inner chambers. Functions of mitochondria. They are the powerhouse of the body because they produce energy as ATP through Krebs cycle, electron transport chain, with oxidation of fatty acids, etc. Chloroplast. It is a disc-shaped chlorophyll-containing organelle which is bounded by double membrane. It is only present in the plant cell. Within the inner membrane, stroma or matrix is present. Stroma contains small cylindrical structures called grana. Granum is a flattened vesicles which contains small structures or quantosomes. Functions of chloroplast. They act as a storage for starch, pigments for photosynthesis. They help in the biosynthesis of foodstuffs by the process of photosynthesis. Centrosomes. It is present only animal cell. It contains dense cytoplasm which is placed near the nucleus of the cell. Functions of centrosomes. It forms the spindle during the cell division and help in the movement of chromosomes. Nucleus. Nucleus is the brain of the cell which is generally rounded in shape and is placed at the center of the cell. The typical nucleus consists of the following components. Nuclear membrane. It is also known as nuclear envelope. It is a bilayer membrane which is made of lipids and the genetic material in eukaryotic cells. It encloses the nucleus where nucleocytoplasm interchange takes place. Nucleoplasm. It is a clear like water substance which is present in the space between the nuclear membrane and the nucleolus. It contains ribose, sugar, phosphorus, protein, nucleic acid and nucleotides. Nucleolus. It is a dense spherical body covered by a single membrane which is present in the nucleoplasm. It mainly consists of nucleoprotein. Chromosomes. In the nucleoplasm, a thread-like enlarged structures is present which is known as chromosome. They appear only during the cell division. You can see nucleus in its parts in this particular slide. Functions of nucleus. They act as a brain for the cell. They synthesize RNA, ribosome, and ribosomal protein. Nuclear membrane makes partitions between nucleus and cytoplasm. They regulate the cellular process and bear the hereditary instructions.